time to sit up and take notice as Hyundai presents a brand new segment-defining SUV. And in the next few minutes, we will take you through this swashbuckling SUV, the all-new Venue. With its captivating design and the emphatic stance, the Venue is a beauty any which way you look at it. The standout radiator grille with premium dark chrome in bold mesh design catches your attention instantly, while the twin headlamps with unique positioning of projector headlamps with full surround LED DRLs and turn indicator adds to the design innovation along with the projection type fog lamps. The sculpted character line of the side profile imparts a solid yet modern appeal. Diamond-cut alloy wheels together with body side molding enhances the sporty character, while the chrome door handles, bridge-type roof rails and shark fin antenna imparts an elegant and dynamic appeal. The electric sunroof adds to the flair and style quotient of the all-new Venue. The rear styling of the car is distinctive with its appealing crystal effect LED tail lamps and unique emblem layout. For added convenience, the Venue comes with smart entry and push-button start. The Venue provides maximum comfort with ease of ingress and egress and plenty of cabin space. The interiors come with a choice of standard single-tone black, khaki two-tone and denim two-tone interiors. Minute attention to detailing is given with the unique laser-cut finish on the crash pad and the use of high gloss and silver highlights which provides a premium feel. In the center of the crash pad is perched the floating Type AVNT with HD display. It is almost a mini computer with conveniences of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and many other features. The rear view monitor enables the driver to have a rear view on the screen without engaging the reverse gear. The fully automatic temperature control along with the eco-coating technology keeps the cabin cool and pleasant. And the rear AC vents ensures uniform cooling for all occupants. The uniquely designed leather plus fabric combination upholstery looks classy and premium, along with the leather-wrapped steering which comes with audio and cruise control for added convenience. The supervision cluster keeps the driver updated. The Venue is equipped with Hyundai Blue Link to explore new horizons with its connected car technology with 33 different features. Blue Link facilitates 24/7 assistance in case of any emergency. The Venue takes care of even the smallest of details with first-in-segment features like the wireless charger and air purifier for a healthier cabin. The Venue also comes with plenty of smart storage options to add to the practicality. Weekend getaways become more convenient with a large boot space of 350 liters and the 60-40 split rear seat gives an added option. Safety is another aspect where the Venue stands out. The liberal use of advanced high-strength steel transcends the body structure into a safe fortress and is equipped with 6 airbags, ESC, VSM, hill assist control, rear camera and rear parking sensors, and all these add up to ensure that you are safe in the world of this SUV. The Venue uses a world-class powertrain the powerful and silent 1-liter petrol turbo engine, which is mated to the best-in-segment 7-speed DCT. With the best-in-segment turning radius, and all this combines together to give a sublime and a memorable driving experience. And to ensure complete peace of mind, Hyundai offers the best-in-segment 3 years unlimited kilometer warranty, 3 years roadside assistance and 3 years free BlueLink subscription. The Hyundai Venue is the new venue for standout design, advanced performance, comfort and convenience. And all this with the reassurance of a high level of safety and technology and seamless connectivity, which makes this SUV not just another SUV, but a smart connected SUV. The all-new Hyundai Venue.